All right, before going and wiring everything up, I wanted to test to make sure the fans actually work. Because if they didn't work, it would be a real pain. So I'm gonna set this up. It's gonna be kind of hard because I don't have the tripod. So let's give a test. I'm gonna hold the ground with my pinky like here. I'm gonna hold the phone, and let's see. Well, it's turning on the target light, but I don't think the connection's good enough. Let's see. Let's try holding it down again. Alright, so I can see that they are working, just need good enough connection. Alright, that's good. Alright, from the Wiring Specialties harness, we have this plug. I think the snap goes on top, and the blue is on the right, black's on the left. So that would mean that probably, as long as I set it up blue, blue, black, black, it will be a pull, and that's what I want. Alright, so let's go plug some of this stuff up with the supplied stuff they gave us in the kit. In making the connectors, you have your actual parts that make the connection. You have your insulation, and then all your stuff to make it waterproof, and your main connector itself. The thing you need to pay attention to is, as you can see, the left one is on the inside, the right one is on the inside. So when you go to put these in, you want these pieces going toward the inside when you put them in down like that. So keep that in mind. Just slide on your little waterproof protector. Take our 18 gauge and make a cut. Now for crimping, I don't actually have the proper one you want to have. There's a special one you can get that will allow you to crimp this both at the same time, crimping this on the open exposed wire, and then crimping this on the actual unexposed wire. But because I don't have it, I'm gonna try to, we'll see if we can make it work. Because we don't have the proper crimping tool, I made this a little bit longer. I'm gonna fold this over to give it a little bit thicker contact portion. And I'll put this down inside. And I'll kind of get it started. Okay, that's, I mean, it's not going anywhere. That's a pretty good connection. So now I need to get these. And this is kind of tricky. And this is not nearly as pretty as the actual tool. It does it so much better. Got the black one done as well. I am going to, I don't know if you would normally connect it first, but I'm going to send this in there and it clicks in. I'll send the other side, other one in, doesn't quite want to snap in. There we go. Now we need these going in. Put this one on this wire, that one on that wire. I tried to connect these as best as possible, and it was a pain. Just as for some added protection, I went ahead and wrapped them. I went ahead and wrapped them in some electrical tape as well. I have the fans. I got them wired up with the connectors to make it look more, you know, OEM. I took, again, you know, good job for saving the old airbag stuff. I took the tape off and I have some of this wrap, and I'm gonna wrap it, and then I'm gonna put some tape, connect these all in here to give it a nice, nice clean look.